Hey guys, so you want to create a username and password for your Mac OS. Let's go ahead and click on Systems and Users and Groups. Alright, from here you want to click here and unlock it by putting in the password you use to log into your computer. Alright, once that is unlocked, you want to click on the plus sign. From here, a new account, you can have it set up as administrator, standard, manage, or share only. For me, I'm just going to select standard. Put in your full name and your account name, and then your password. Go ahead and create user. Alright, let's go ahead and right click on the user you created. Advanced option. Alright, on this screen you can change the username or the account name. Alright, let's go ahead and get out of here. And if you ever decided to make this account as an admin account, you can simply select this box here. But once you do that, you have to restart the computer. And if you no longer decided to keep the account, you can click on the user and hit the minus key, and it will ask you to remove the account. So from here I will select delete the home folder, so I can delete everything associated with that account.